Did you know that over 15 million people worldwide earn at least $1,000 a month online? Anyone can take advantage of this rising digital economy and begin making money from home with the correct approach. The internet has revolutionized how we make money. It offers countless opportunities to build income streams without needing a traditional 9-to-5 job. In this video, we'll break down the laziest ways to make money online methods that require minimal effort but have the potential to bring in substantial income. These ideas are especially for a beginner or someone looking to add a passive income stream. It will help you get started quickly and efficiently. Number 1. Freelancing, the gateway to online income. Meet William, a freelance video editor who turned his passion into profit. Like many others, he discovered that freelancing offers a flexible way to earn while maintaining control over his schedule and workspace. Video editing skills are precious in this booming digital content industry. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are your launching pads. Fiverr is perfect for beginners. Just list your services and wait for clients to find you. Meanwhile, Upwork might be more competitive, but it often comes with bigger paychecks. Think of freelancing like planting a garden. It takes about 6 months to truly bloom. During this time, you'll nurture your skills with the help of free YouTube tutorials and grow your portfolio. The best part is, you don't need expensive tools to start. While Adobe Creative Suite is nice, free alternatives like Canva can get the job done. Just imagine like you're sitting at your computer, which you probably already own, with just an internet connection, ready to offer services such as website building, graphic design, copywriting, social media management, and video editing. Sure, you'll face some interesting challenges. Clients might request multiple revisions, or you'll need to master the art of clear communication. And yes, your income is initially tied to your time. But hey, that's just another reason to keep improving and eventually charge premium rates. Remember, freelancing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building sustainable income through skills you either have or can learn. While it requires more effort than some online ventures, it's a reliable path to online income, especially if you're willing to invest time in mastering your craft and building solid client relationships. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can make money while you sleep. You earn commissions from each sale through your unique referral link by promoting products you believe in. The best part is there are no inventory headaches or customer service stress. It only takes 1 to 2 days to get started, and you may sign up for well-known programs like Impact, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. These platforms are treasure troves of products waiting for promotion. Whether you're passionate about tech gadgets, fashion, or digital courses, there's something for everyone. You can create engaging short-form content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms are gold mines for organic reach and no paid ads needed. Imagine that you are focused on your next piece of content while earning commissions after a simple product review video goes viral unexpectedly. The investment is as little as $250 to start your journey. This could cover outsourcing content creation to make your affiliate links shine. Well, the risk is minimal. Since you're not handling products or dealing with customer issues, you can focus purely on promotion. Think of affiliate marketing like planting seeds. Choose your niche and products. Sign up for affiliate programs. Create engaging content. Share your referral links. Watch your commissions grow. The magic lies in its scalability. You can promote multiple products simultaneously, creating various income streams. While some creators earn thousands monthly through viral content, remember that success comes from authentic promotion and connecting with your audience. What makes this model particularly appealing is its hands-off nature. Once you've shared your links through compelling content, the heavy lifting is done. The platform handles sales, shipping, and customer service, while you collect commissions. The ideal balance of low risk and high potential is provided by affiliate marketing for anyone wishing to dabble in online income. Selling is only one aspect of it. Another is distributing reliable goods to those in need while creating a steady flow of revenue. Number 3. Airbnb arbitrage. Transform long-term rentals into lucrative short-term stays. That's the essence of Airbnb arbitrage. You simply lease properties and list them on Airbnb, profiting from the rate difference. Think of it as running a hotel business without the massive property investment. The magic happens in prime locations near tourist spots, business districts, or entertainment venues. AirDNA becomes your best friend here, revealing crucial market data about rental rates and occupancy trends. The most successful arbitrage entrepreneurs focus on properties that promise consistent bookings year-round. Starting requires $5,000 to $15,000, covering everything from security deposits to furnishing. The key aspect is getting explicit permission from landlords. Surprisingly, many welcome this arrangement, especially when you present a professional business plan showing mutual benefits. Your success toolkit includes platforms like Guesty or Hostfully, which streamline guest communications, check-in processes, cleaning schedules, booking management. The learning curve spans 1 to 3 months, during which you'll master local regulations, property management, and the Airbnb platform itself. Finding the right property takes time, but it's crucial for long-term success. What makes this model shine is its scalability. After mastering one property, expanding your portfolio becomes second nature. Take Sean Rakidzic. He has scaled his Airbnb arbitrage business to manage over 100 units and offering strategies for growing a successful short-term rental business. Existing challenges are seasonal fluctuations affect bookings, and you need reliable service providers. However, with proper systems in place, this becomes a semi-passive income stream, requiring just a few hours of weekly oversight. Success in Airbnb arbitrage isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. While it demands more initial capital than typical online ventures, it offers impressive returns for those who approach it systematically and provide exceptional guest experiences. Number 4. eBay Shop. Take use of eBay's enormous marketplace to unleash the potential of online retail. With this network, you may find buyers all across the world for everything from trendy technology to vintage delights. eBay's simplicity is what makes it so lovely. Within 2 weeks, you can master the basics and launch your shop. Popular niches like vintage clothing, electronics, collectibles, and handmade items offer endless possibilities. For instance, Patricia, a clever businesswoman, created a successful eBay business out of her passion for thrifting. She meticulously selects her merchandise, puts it on eBay, and finds unusual apparel items from neighborhood yard sales and thrift stores. Patricia has developed a devoted following and makes a good living from her eBay store by offering thorough descriptions, beautiful images, and first-rate customer support. Getting started requires about $500 for initial inventory. You can get products from local thrift stores, garage sales, wholesale suppliers like DHgate, and your own unused items. Success hinges on understanding market trends and pricing strategies. Use eBay's built-in tools to research hot items and competitive prices. Better to start in a niche you're passionate about. It makes product sourcing and description writing much more enjoyable to you. The daily rhythm involves photographing items, crafting compelling listings, packing orders, and managing customer service. While it's not completely passive, the flexibility is unmatched. Work from home, set your own hours, and scale at your own pace. If you want to expand, the possibilities are endless. Many successful sellers branch out to platforms like Etsy and Amazon, creating multiple revenue streams. As profits grow, reinvest in more inventories or explore new product categories. Maintaining a stellar reputation is crucial. Quick responses to customer inquiries and fair handling of returns build trust and encourage repeat buyers. Even when challenges arise, viewing each interaction as an opportunity to showcase your service quality pays off in the long run. The most rewarding aspect is it's entirely scalable. Start small with a single product line, and then gradually expand your inventory and reach. With dedication and smart inventory management, what begins as a side hustle can evolve into a flourishing online business. It's the perfect blend of low barrier entry, flexibility, and growth potential for aspiring entrepreneurs. Number 5. Built Shopify Store. Starting an AI-built Shopify store is a hassle-free way to dive into e-commerce with minimal effort. This method removes traditional barriers and is perfect for beginners with AI handling setup, product selection, inventory, and fulfillment. The learning curve is virtually non-existent. Simply use tools like buildyourstore.ai, which guides you through choosing a niche, designing your store, and connecting to Shopify. You can start with a free trial, followed by a $1 per month plan for the first 3 months. The process is user-friendly and requires no technical knowledge. Fulfillment is a breeze when paired with AutoDS, which automates product sourcing, price updates, and order shipping. This eliminates the need for manual inventory management and makes earning passive income possible. The method offers unlimited scalability. With AutoDS, you can consistently add new trending products, keeping your store updated and fresh. Growing doesn't require more work because AI takes care of the logistics, freeing you up to concentrate on expanding your company. With a startup cost of only $1.99, this approach is almost risk-free. The low investment and ease of testing make it accessible to anyone curious about online business. If you're looking for a highly scalable and low-effort way to earn online, an AI-built Shopify store is an excellent choice. Number 6. Creating digital products. Let's not forget about digital products. This is another low-effort way to start making money online. Whether it's an ebook, a printable calendar, or an online course, creating a digital product means you're selling something that requires little to no physical effort once it's created. One of the easiest things to start with is creating an ebook or digital guide. For example, Tim O'Rourke is a self-published author who achieved significant success on Amazon KDP. He started by self-publishing his work and quickly became a #1 bestseller in his category. Within a few months, he sold tens of thousands of copies of his ebooks. You can also create simple printables like planners, templates, or artwork, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Once uploaded, your product is available for purchase 24/7 with no extra effort on your part. Number 7. Passive income with print-on-demand. Print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful offer an ingenious way to generate passive income by creating custom designs on merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. The magic happens when you upload unique designs. Platforms handle inventory, printing, and shipping, allowing you to collect profits without managing complex logistics. Take Gearbunch, a successful print-on-demand store specializing in women's workout leggings. Their success stems from focusing on a specific niche, creating high-quality designs, implementing effective marketing strategies, and building a strong brand identity. By using these platforms, entrepreneurs can transform creative skills into a hands-off income stream, where the primary task is designing and uploading artwork. Number 8. Virtual assistants. With businesses increasingly moving online, the demand for virtual assistants has surged, making it one of the simplest ways to earn money from home. Virtual assistants help entrepreneurs and small businesses with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, and customer service. Meet Lisa, a stay-at-home parent who became a virtual assistant to earn extra income. She started by offering a few hours of admin support weekly and now makes over $1,500 monthly, working flexible hours that fit her schedule. Getting started is straightforward. Identify your skills. Example: organizing, communication, or graphic design. Sign up on platforms like Belay, Fancy Hands, or Upwork to find clients. Offer services like managing calendars, making travel arrangements, or handling customer queries. The best part? Virtual assisting requires minimal investment. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a knack for organization. Many entrepreneurs are willing to pay $15 to $30 per hour for a reliable assistant. Virtual assisting is highly scalable. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can offer specialized services, increase your rates, or manage a team of assistants. It's a low-effort way to leverage your organizational skills and tap into the growing remote work trend. Each method we've explored offers a unique pathway to digital income. The common thread? They're all about leveraging existing platforms, minimizing upfront costs, and maximizing your potential. The digital economy has demolished traditional barriers. You can generate income from your living room, wearing pajamas, without a boss breathing down your neck. No fancy degrees required, just internet access, willingness to learn, and the courage to start. Your potential income isn't limited by geography, education, or past experience. It's limited only by your creativity, persistence, and ability to adapt. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone seeking financial freedom, these methods are your ticket. The laziest way to make money online is actually the smartest way, finding systems that work while you sleep, learn, or pursue your passions. Your first step isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to begin. So, what are you waiting for? Have you tried any of these methods? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more tips on how to build wealth online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. See you in the next video.